while our top shooter is wide open on the right side, gives him a look, looks at the clock, he's like, nah, it's my time.
All I hope is that the locals, we don't have to consider them the locals. You know, like we are a team. We have what 15 players that can play.
Kalau di dunia yang sempurna kita bisa menang semua di season. Terus mungkin ada situasi kita kalah di playoff di game kedua atau game ketiga, terus kita panik karena kita belum pernah ngerasain mereka aja.
Yo, what's up basketball fans? We are here for the rematch of the IBL Finals 2025 between Dewa United Banten melawan Putra Jaya Basketball. Of course, all eyes gonna be on Rio DC, and we got also Prastawa over there and Agassi. Ini adalah calon-calon MVP local tahun ini. Oh man, this is gonna be fun though. Kita lihat ya apakah PJ bisa stay undefeated or they were gonna hand them their first loss ever. So thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for tuning in, and yeah, please enjoy the highlights, guys.
Damon Stoudemire, Portland Trailblazer, number 3.
Thank you.
What was your first ever NBA jersey? Kobe Bryant dikasih Om Jeff yang
mana?
yang ada snake skin, tau gak sih yang hitam? Yang Black Mamba gitu.
How are you guys after a long break from IPL Finals match? How are you guys?
Yeah, we've been practicing a lot. We did live scrimmage, internal scrimmage. Jadi yeah, we're ready for this game.
Thank you guys.
First ever NBA jersey was a light blue Kobe Bryant Lakers jersey.
MPLS?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a class thing, dude. What's up, Mark?
What was your first ever NBA? It was a Sixers jersey.
Iverson?
Allen Iverson.
NBA jersey.
My first NBA jersey is Boston Celtics.
Who is the player?
Larry Bird. Larry Bird.
You like Larry Bird?
Too much. I like Larry Bird too much because he's my idol. He's my idol.
Pras, biasa. Satu pertanyaan aja.
What was your first? Jerry West, I think. Lakers, Jerry West.
Old school ya? Jadi West ya? Oke. Bilang Pras.
Game yang nggak mungkin tidak ditunggu oleh semua halayak basket Indonesia, baik yang datang ke sini, yang makin rame, makin lama makin rame, pencinta
orang
tentu
tahun
saja,
2001
dan juga yang ada di ini nonton kita di YouTube IBL TV ya.
Mungkin ada
Tapi yang pasti memang kadang kita tuh suka menerka-nerka nih, kira-kira.
New Orleans. When I was winning.
New York Knicks, Latrell Sprewell.
White one, blue one. Woo! Let me get this. LeBron. Welcome back, Vincent. He's back.
Well, first of all, congrats to Belita for the season. They had a 13-0 run before this game, and that proves the type of team that they are. They are a championship team, and our goal coming up to this game was to prove that we are a championship contender as well. Regardless of the situations that we have in the standings and the reasons that took us to this situation, we wanted to prove today that we can compete at this level, and we really did. I think that we played the game with character, with personality, with also being smart, and I think we played the game to have a bigger difference than this 11-point difference. But overall, I'm very happy for the defensive performance of our team, and kudos to my players for the game that they played.
Okay, thank you, Coach. For DJ, do you have any comments for today's match, please?
It was a good game. We followed the game plan, and we were consistent. For most of the game, and BJ is a good team. We're just showing that we're a good team as well. So we're gonna stay consistent and keep playing.
Well, I feel that the situations that we had to deal in the previous months helped those players to perform, even though we were not winning some games, but helped them to perform at a higher level or at a more consistent level, I would say. And I feel that this prepared them to play solid when the big games come, and the big games come today, like today. Pache, Brian did a very good job. Also, Rio in some moments, Hardy, Albianos today also played defensively good job. DJ, all the perimeter players. But I think was that overall a team defense, a very consistent performance in rebound, and all I hope is that the locals, we don't have to consider them the locals. Like we are a team. We have 15 players that can play because of two long-term injuries. 15 players that can perform anytime they step on the court. That's how I feel about them. Sometimes the rotation is longer. Sometimes we play with less players like today. But I feel that everyone is ready to perform at a good level.
Thank you.
It's amazing. Our locals, they've been doing good. I was the only foreigner for about a month and a half, and like Coach said, it gave them a lot of confidence. And, now with a full team, they know that they can play, at any situation. So they've been doing great, and everybody's doing good. We just got to stay focused and humble. Keep going.
6 3-point shots tonight. Was it more like you feeling it tonight, or just you saw what the defense gave you?
I kind of knew what kind of defense they were going to play. Just getting my mind ready, and just doing whatever it takes to win. Not trying to force anything, but I knew I wouldn't, be able to pass as much tonight just because they don't want that. So, I was trying to get my mind ready and make shots and plays.
Taruh lo bosku. Buzzer beaternya gimana coba tadi? Komentar.
Luar biasa. He dropped somebody, dropped his defender, and then he walks up to the three-point line while our top shooter is wide open on the right side. Gives him a look, looks at the clock, he's like, nah, it's my time.
Pakai kiri dong.
Oh, my bad.
Kiri.
Adrianus from Sangatta.
4 out of 5 loh.
Are you still surprised?
I'm like. Tadi komentar aja dong kemenangan hari ini.
Ya, yang pasti bagus ya buat kita karena kita tahu kemarin-kemarin kita lose streak-nya lumayan kan. Jadi ya ini semoga kita bisa menang sama PJ, kita bisa buktikan kalau kita bisa menang terus gitu.
3-0 ya di gedung ini ya?
3-0.
Iya.
3-0 nggak sih?
3-0 nggak? 3-0. Defense ini dong. Defense jaga Amari hari ini gimana?
Terbaik adik, kurang pakunya kurang. Senior.
Oke, hari thank you ya. Good game. MVP kayaknya.
Ini dong tanggapannya hari ini defense Dio, hari ini jaga Amari tadi juga physical, terus kalian bisa limit lah pokoknya shootingnya PJ hari ini gimana?
Ya, yang kata coach kita akan 3 game ini kurang di defense, kita selalu kecolongan, terus big match lah ya, motivasi lebih tinggi, ya kasih semua yang kita bisa.
Di sekarang seberapa enak? Udah komplit pemainnya.
Enak banget akhirnya kita main di posisi kita sendiri. Kalau di 11 game awal kan Patrick main 5, Kak Arki main 5, jadi kayak role kita nggak beda gitu. Kalau sekarang udah enak main posisi kita sendiri.
Jadi
MVP.
Kalau Detroit sekarang gimana sih? Impact-nya berasa
seperti apa nih Detroit?
Berasa banget sih karena kita kan ya secara nggak langsung kita kurang big man sih. Ya, jadi dia bisa backup Josh. Kalau kayak tadi full trouble kita punya Citroen. Thank you. Boleh satu pesan?
Boleh.
Support terus ya buat anak Dewa. Jangan lupa nonton terus. Kalau bisa ke Malaysia besok kita tonton, oke?
Good luck ya, bisa ya.
Thank you.
Pertama, congratulations menjadi tim pertama yang ngalahin PJ.
Ya.
Ada apa Dewa dengan gedung ini? 3-0 kayaknya rekornya.
Lumayan lah kok.
Tanggapan aja kemenangan hari ini untuk tim yang sekarang ini udah mulai komplit lah. Udah pemain asingnya juga main semua.
Senang sih tentunya ya bisa menang. Game penting banget buat kita bangun momentum. Dari kemarin kita kalah terus, ini baru game kedua kita menang berturut-turut. Semoga kita bisa jaga momentum kita tetap bisa naik.
Hari ini lebih banyak game nih bulan ini. Kalau jadi pemain lebih seneng dong. 9 game sebulan.
Senang sih, cuma capek banget sih kok. Jadwalnya emang agak berantakan juga sih. Kita harus sana atau pulang langsung kayak 5 hari 4 game gitu. Lumayan sih, parah sih
Masih muda.
Mudah.
Tanggapannya aja Hardy hari ini.
Wah, Hardy gila sih. Tapi emang saya dari lihat mentalitas Hardy sih dari tahun lalu di final, pressure yang gitu tinggi, main minute play banyak, pakai nggak pernah ada turnover, itu gila sih Hardy, luar biasa sih. Itu banyak main PUBG PC sama kita jadi.
Oh iya. Chemistry-nya makin mantap ya?
Makin mantap.
Oh, berarti sekarang itu kuncinya chemistry-nya, main game bareng.
Main game bareng, betul.
Yes, good evening. I thought tonight was maybe one of our worst games, maybe not our worst game. I thought one of our games we won was worse, but I think it was probably our worst game from a standpoint of just grit and toughness and attitude and force and urgency and just everything that we've been about this year. We were not about tonight. So that has to come back on me. For some reason, it didn't connect tonight between coach and player and just what we do. And energy-wise, I don't think we had it at all. That's no excuse. We just didn't have it. And they hit every shot they could possibly hit. And so that's a lot of credit to them. You know, teams on the road, not really much to lose, playing free, playing confident. They're playing with their imports now. And they made some big shots, some timely shots, and made us pay for some of the ridiculous coverages and defenses that we were playing that we didn't work on. And so again, we got to go back and figure out why those things happen and how we correct those things. But I would say this: I think it was time for something like this to happen for us. Not that we wanted to lose, but I definitely believe that we needed something like this because in the end, I think, not that we don't work hard and not that these guys are so professional every single day, which they are, but we need a little bit of a wake-up call. And unfortunately, it happened today, but I believe that we can grow from this, and we will, and go back to the drawing board and correct some things. We're not far off. We missed 23 threes that were normally wide open. We missed, I can't tell you how many layups we missed or things right at the rim. And so got to the free throw line so many times, drawing fouls, putting pressure on the defense, and just couldn't figure out how to score the basketball. So, it was an us thing tonight, in my opinion. Credit to those guys. They played harder than us, absolutely. But we got to make sure that these things don't happen, and that's going to start next week at practice.
Ya yang pasti kita nggak mau kalah ya. Tapi menurut aku ini kekalahannya sangat penting untuk kita. Soalnya masih jauh dari playoff dan kita menerima kekalahan ini buat jadi evaluasi juga biar kita tahu gimana situasinya buat bounce back dari kekalahan. Jangan sampai ya mungkin kalau di dunia yang sempurna kita bisa menang semua di season, terus mungkin ada situasi kita kalah di playoff di game kedua atau game ketiga, terus kita panik karena kita belum pernah ngerasain namanya kalah. Jadi menurut aku ini ya lumayan bagus buat kita juga ya, meskipun ya agak bete juga ya kalah namanya, tapi bakal bagus sih.
I thought when we did have a mismatch, we held the ball and let them double team us instead of just go immediately and attack the smaller players. So it was a combination of a lot of things, but definitely I felt like we spent too many time on the referees tonight. And to be quite honest, I thought we got some calls. They were definitely physical. I think there were some calls that were missed, but overall, if you shoot 29 free throws, I don't think that we should be complaining as much as we were. So again, that's another situation where composure and just focusing on the game, we have to do a much better job with that. But I just think people were frustrated because our shots weren't falling. And I think that's the hardest thing in basketball is when the normal shots that we hit that are wide open, and Pross is missing, and Jeff is missing wide open shots, and Darius, first play of the game, wide open, and Maury, wide open shots. It's what we normally make. So I think that affected us a little bit, probably made us a little bit more tense, and I think it affected our decision making at times. So for me, we have to be better, and we have to not let that affect us, and when we get in those moments, we have to be more composed.
Please join my channel, guys.